Are you tired of spending hours writing scripts, setting up cameras, and editing videos? What if I told you there's a way to create professional quality videos without ever appearing on camera or touching an editing tool? Today I'm showing you Keevx, an AI-powered platform that's literally changing the game for content creators like us. Whether you're a busy entrepreneur, a side hustler with tight deadlines, or someone who just doesn't want to be on camera, this tool is about to become your new best friend. Most importantly, new users get 10 minutes of free credits, no credit card required. So, you can try it for free, and it's 100% web-based, no download or install. Just fire up your browser. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create stunning AI avatar videos in multiple languages, and I'll show you how to get started completely free. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Keevx? Think of it as your personal video production studio powered by artificial intelligence. Here are the 5 main selling points. First, you don't need to write scripts. Keevx's AI does that for you. Just give it a topic, and boom, you've got a complete script ready to go. Second, you can create videos with AI voiceover in 70+ languages and 175+ dialects without actually knowing them. Third, choose from over 50 realistic avatars. No more worrying about bad hair days or finding the perfect lighting setup. Fourth, you can translate basic content into 20+ languages for global reach. And fifth, you can create a full video in literally minutes, not hours. No editing skills required, no expensive equipment needed. This isn't just another AI tool. It's designed specifically for people who want to create high-quality content without the traditional hassles of video production. Alright, let's get you set up. Head over to Keevx.com. I'll put the link in the description below. You get 10 minutes free plus a 25-minute referral bonus equals 35 minutes free when you invite a friend. That's enough to create several videos and really explore what Keevx can do. The free version even lets you export in 1080p HD quality with no watermarks, just like the paid users. Pretty generous, right? Now let's walk through the 4-step creation flow. Step 1, generate your script. Click Create New Video and select Generate from Topic. Let's say I want to create a video about 5 productivity tips for remote workers. I'll type that into the topic field. After entering the topic, select your avatar from the available options. You'll find a bunch of choices. Don't worry, we can change it later. After selecting the avatar, we need to select the language and voice actor. Click here, and you'll find a vast library of voice actors. To find the best one, set some filters. First, select between a man and a woman according to the avatar. After that, set the age group. Next, choose a style according to your needs. Then set the use cases or scenes. Finally, set the language from all major speaking languages available worldwide. After selecting the avatar and voice actor, you'll see templates for various use cases. Select one that matches your video topic if you want. Next, mention the objective of the video. Just describe the main goal. In the speaker section, describe the speaker or yourself. Finally, mention your target audience. Once everything is set, hit Create Outline and watch the AI work its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll have a complete, well-structured script outline that flows naturally. Step 2. Create Scene Outline. If you're not happy with the first version, you can regenerate it or make manual edits. The AI gives you a solid foundation, but you're always in control of the final content. Once you're satisfied with your script, click Generate Scene-Based Outline. You can see the AI-generated scene-based outline, and if you need customization, you can do it. Once satisfied, click Continue in Editor. Step 3. Preview and Edit. This is the video editor interface, and you can see the video preview here.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into 5 pro tips to crush remote work. Get ready to unlock your remote work potential.
On the left side, you'll find the script. The AI creates proper introductions, main points with supporting details, and strong conclusions. The script reads like something a professional copywriter would create. If you want to customize the script, you can do it manually. At the top, you'll find the AI Writer option to polish the script and even generate a new script. This is a perfect script for my video. Now, if you want, you can change the spokesperson from here. If you click on the 3-dot menu, you will find the voice setting, where you can customize speed, pitch, and volume. You can even translate the script into more than 20+ majorly spoken languages. That means you can create videos in another language you aren't familiar with. Okay, now, if you want to change the avatar and use a new one, come to the Avatar tab from here. You'll see a library of over 50 professional avatars, and they're incredibly diverse. Select one you want. Next, you can change the background of the video from the Background tab. Here, you will find a bunch of options. Just select which one you want to use. Next, in the Media tab, you will find various types of media, and you can even upload your own media files and use them in your video if needed. After that, in the Music tab, you will find a vast library of music clips that can be used as background music. In the end, if you already have a presentation in PPT or PDF file, you can upload and use it in your video. Step 4. Export HD video. Once you are done, simply hit the Generate button to generate the video. Keevx offers several quality options, but even free users get access to 1080p HD. That's professional quality suitable for any platform. The rendering process usually takes just a few minutes, depending on video length. You'll get a notification when it's ready. Your finished video downloads as an MP4 file, which is compatible with every major platform. Okay, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into 5 pro tips to crush remote work. Get ready to unlock your remote work potential. Let's optimize your time and effort. First, create a dedicated workspace. Physical separation is key. Optimize for comfort and minimize interruptions for a productive environment. Next, structure your day with a schedule. Time blocking is your friend. Remember to incorporate breaks and use digital tools for effective time management.
So, now you can create this kind of high-quality video within a minute. You can even create more better than me by giving some extra efforts. Now, here at the top of the page, you will find several options. Just select the Translate tool to translate the video. Now you have to select the target language. You can select multiple languages, so select as per your need. Once done, click on the Translate button from here. And within minute, the AI will translate the video in your targeted language. Once you find the translated version, just click on the Edit button and then customize the video if needed. Once done, click on the Generate button to create the final video. And this is the Spanish version of the video.
Hola a todos. Hoy nos adentramos en 5 consejos profesionales para triunfar en el teletrabajo. Prepárense para liberar todo su potencial. Optimicemos su tiempo y esfuerzo. Primero, crea un espacio de trabajo dedicado. La separación física es clave.
All your videos are saved in your Keevx account, so you can re-download them anytime or create variations later. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where Keevx really stands out in the market. You start with those 10 free minutes I mentioned, plus the bonus 25 minutes if you refer a friend. That's enough to create several videos and really test the platform. If you decide to upgrade, most tools cost $30 plus per month. Keevx is just $8 per month, which makes it an incredible bargain. Compare that to hiring a video editor, scriptwriter, and voice actor. You'd spend more than that on a single project. The paid plan removes any usage limits, gives you access to premium avatars and voices, and includes priority rendering for faster turnaround times. And there you have it, everything you need to know to start creating professional AI avatar videos with Keevx. This platform is genuinely changing how we think about video content creation. With Keevx, anyone can create engaging, professional videos in minutes. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up for Keevx and claim your free credits. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever created videos the old way. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating videos using Keevx AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.